In this online world, digital marketing is essential. A lot of us still don't understand the jargon of this. Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta, and in this video I am going to share some of the basic digital marketing strategies that can help you drive customer engagement, raise brand awareness and generate leads. I am sure that after watching this video, you will start to understand some basics of digital marketing world. Number 1. Search engine optimization or SEO. SEO is a technique for digital marketing that helps to optimize the page and rank better on the search engine like Google. It is a strategy that helps in obtaining organic traffic. Most of the traffic coming from SEO is genuine and they are in actual need of the product. Number 2. Google Adwords give you the ability to be on the top without putting much time on SEO. Adwords is basically known as PPC or Pay Per Click. You can see your website on the top of the page by paying some amount to Google. In this, Google run ads and show your results on the top. With this technique, you can easily get traffic on your website. Number 3. Social media. Nowadays, Facebook has become a market to brand your product. Every category of the audience is found on social media. Social media is also good in making a new company as a brand. Start doing social media optimization to get the right customer. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. It is also a strategy to make another source of income. Under this, we use different affiliate programs of e-commerce websites. An affiliate works as a channel for the product. They drive a customer to the website of the product. Against, they get the commission. Number 5. Mobile marketing. As we know, mobile devices are used by almost every individual in today's world. So start optimizing websites accordingly to the mobile because mobile is a huge market to cover. Most people do not use desktop computers. They only use their mobile to do everything. Number 6. Web PR. Online press releases distribution improves online visibility and will help you to connect with your targeted audience. Press releases can be used effectively as a part of an integrated link building strategy. However, utilize the press release only when the content is truly worth sharing. Number 7. Email marketing is typical marketing where we target the audience through electronic mail. Email marketing is a fast, effective and secure method of targeting new clients along with existing customers. It also allows you to produce targeted and personalized messages. Number 8. Influencer marketing is a type of marketing where we target prominent people rather than targeting the entire audience. People who have the impact on the audience play a secret function in marketing. Number 9. Remarketing suggests targeting the customer who have visited your website and have actually not purchased. In simple words, remarketing is a type of online marketing that is targeted to an audience who has formerly visited your site. It is greatly based upon emails and making use of cookies. Number 10. Online reputation management. Companies must maintain their fame online as most prospects search the internet to perceive the first impression of the brand and product. Digital marketing companies help build a great online presence of the company to attract genuine clients. The key to digital marketing success is to adopt the mindset of the consumer. In other words, stop giving people the hard sell and instead aim to solve their problems through free and valuable content that is relevant to your business. So this is the end of the video. These are my top 10 digital marketing strategies. Do you want to add any other strategy or tips to this list? Share them in the comment section. I would love to hear about those. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.